How to activate Destiny Mastercard online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can activate Destiny Mastercard online. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to destiny.myfinanceservice.com. Once you're here, you will have to log into your account. For that, on this login portal, you want to enter your username, then enter your password. Once you have entered both the details, you want to click on the login option. Now, if you do not have an account, click on the register your account option. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on this second link. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the activate your card option. Now you will have to enter the personal information for verification purpose, such as your full name, date of birth, your card number, security code, which is the CVV code. After that, you might also have to enter the social security number. After entering the required information, follow any additional prompts or instructions provided on the website. Then you want to submit the activation request. Once you successfully complete the activation process, you should receive a confirmation message on the website or via email indicating that your Destiny Mastercard is now active and ready to use. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.